Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to remove a professional account on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So open your Instagram app and tap on your profile photo to the bottom right corner and tap on this 3-line icon to the top right corner and tap on settings. Tap on account, scroll down, tap on switch account type, and to remove a professional account all you have to do is just tap on switch to personal account. Tap on switch to personal account, and when you switch back to a personal account, in-app insights will be turned off and insights from all your content including your ads will be permanently removed. So tap on switch to personal account, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.